Hi, this is the screen recording about Illustrator, just a brief overview. So Illustrator this is where we are. I'm going to pull up a definition here from Google. The thing about Illustrator is that it's about illustrating. It's a drawing program, and it uses vector imagery. Now here's a definition. Raster graphics, that pertains to pixels, okay? And Illustrator uses vector imagery, which means it is vector graphics are composed of paths. It's like a point-to-point mathematical algorithm, and not a pixel at all. That's the software, that's the basic idea of how Illustrator creates images. Here's another definition down here. Vector images are mathematical calculations from one point to another. Okay, now having said that, and you should have taken a look at that LinkedIn Learning assignment that I gave you, so you have a brief, you have some understanding, hopefully, of what Illustrator is about. So, now, that's kind of what I want you to understand for sure to begin with. Other than that, I've opened up a document. This is how I did it. File, new. And I'm just going to go with 5 inches wide, 5 inches high, in inches. And say, okay, it pulls it up. You'll notice it doesn't have that checkerboard look like Photoshop does. That's a real basic difference between these two programs. If I go Command R, it's going to bring rulers up. See the rulers? And what else here? Okay. And one other thing here. If I'm drawing, point to point, these vector points, you'll be using generally a stroke, which means an outline, and a fill. I mean, this is just very basic. So I'm gonna show you how that works. So here's a pen tool. If I draw something now, it'll have a black outline and with a white fill, which is not good on a piece of white paper. So let's change that. Change it to pink. Okay, and then up here, take a look. So if I draw something, it'll have a black outline. It'll be one point, which is really tiny, skinny, and it'll have a pink fill. Okay? So, see? I'm just dragging. I'm not really dragging the mouse. I'm just moving the mouse, and then I'm clicking. So, see, that's what I mean by that. Now I can select it. Change the stroke size. See, this is what I mean by stroke and fill. And this is what I mean by vector points in a vector-based software program, drawing program, which is Illustrator. Okay? That's that. Thank you.